Um, we just spoke about how I love all my content. We spoke about other internets already. Now we're bringing into sound production. As a sound production, it's because I've been team making the sounds, but you're I'm actually filming or seeing it's kind of making and such as other production. And production is a team. We have a big crew. We have all the producers and the writers and all and the actors and you have to tell anyone who wants to have their role as a character, a role or an important thing. So role is like playing on a character and they're acting that character out as a role and that's the means. So guys, I'm sorry for the third intro because that intro I just saw as part one about trending because I'm just getting some sad production. I have feelings. I had to say people because of confidence, okay. We have intentions of doing some of this premiere, grow, on YouTube, scale, these those two things.
Hey guys, that's pretty much it with Phil, and now we're talking about trying
three things.